So this is the heater. It's located on the inside of a closet, utility closet, by the front porch. It is working. You can see all the burners are going. Okay. This model's from, I don't know if you can see that or not, down here, 1998 model. So it is over 20 years old, it's 22 years old. It's working, however, I would recommend to have it serviced due to the age of the unit. So you have the heating, front porch, utility closet, and then over here is where you have your AC unit. Just on the other side of this this wall right here.